Give this a good mix. And now for the dressing, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream. You can use either full fat or less fat, whatever you prefer. You can also use Greek yogurt over here instead of sour cream. I'm adding about 1 whole teaspoon of light mayonnaise and about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, some salt to taste, and some freshly ground pepper. Let's give this a good mix. I hope you guys try making this salad. It is creamy, crispy, and very flavorful because of the dill in it. So do give it a try. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. See you back next week. Bye-bye.